Hey guys, that's Mike here. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video is going to be a little bit of a different video actually. We're going to be replacing the tow mirrors and the taillights back to their original stock OEM parts. And you might think, Mike, that's absolutely crazy, man. You put mods on the truck and you're going to take them off and put the OEM parts back on. But hey man, listen, I have a dilemma here. So I do love these tow mirrors. They're absolutely great and everything. They look super sick on the truck, but I think I like the stock OEM side mirrors better. I think they look more sporty. I think it complements the truck very well. I think this is a very sporty looking truck because it has the concavity of the Fuel Assault wheels. There's no deep dish or anything. It's not super wide. And I think the tow mirrors, they look pretty cool, but I think I like the stock sport, the smaller mirrors better. And I actually have them wrapped up in here, and I'll go ahead and take them out for you. And then I'm going to go ahead and take out these taillights. This is the Valenti taillights, y'all, and I know I've been kind of harping on that. I'm not really sure if I like them, and I'm actually just going to go ahead and take them off and sell them. I feel like I like the OEM taillights better. The red ones, I think they just fit the truck better. And I don't know, give me your opinion on it. So today we're going to be installing back on the truck. We have our stock taillights that I've had, for a couple months now that I took off. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back on. And then obviously we have the side mirrors here, the stock OEM side mirrors that I took off a couple of months back as well. And they're still relatively pretty good, man. I mean, yeah, I never sold them, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and sell the tow mirrors from Boost Auto, and then I'm gonna go ahead and sell the taillights as well. So if you guys are interested in, shoot me a link, and if you want these parts. But I don't know, I think I like the sport mirrors better. I love the look of it right now with the tow mirrors, but like I said, I think this is more of a sporty truck, and so I just want to go more sporty, and I think the smaller mirrors definitely complement that. But if I had maybe a wider stance with deep dish tires, maybe a long bed, it looks like an F250, we would go with the tow mirrors. But I'm not towing anything right now anyways. I don't have a boat or a trailer or anything, so let's go ahead and replace them and kind of see what the transition looks like from the tow mirrors and then the taillights as well. So I'm kind of excited about this. But huge shout out to Boost Auto for sending me out these tow mirrors. They've absolutely looked amazing. They perform great, and they've done it great for the truck. But let's go ahead and swap them back out. All right, so here are the mirrors, all bubble wrapped so they didn't break. About these side mirrors here is I did put a black cover on it, so they look like Lariat side mirrors, because the regular STX or XLTs, they just come with the standard plastic cover. But with this stock side mirrors, you can add a little cover on top, a black cover, like right there. It's kind of faded. I need to go ahead and replace these caps, but they'll do for now. Like I said, they're kind of faded up top. They've been on the truck for a long time, but yeah, so those are them right there. Stock taillights, and they actually have a lost fit LED reverse light in it. I'm sure you guys saw that video a while ago, but I just like the red, man. I think they look cool. Looks OEM plus, and that's kind of the build that I'm looking for. I don't want something that just looks too foreign or it looks too done up. I want something that's clean. Like I could have came from the factory, and I think these taillights do it good. All right, same thing as last time. We got to take this panel off right here, and then we're gonna go ahead and roll down the window and hold the mirrors. So freaking hot outside. Pretty easy right there. All right, so connector is off. There's a bolt here, there's a bolt there, all on this side and all the way on this side. So here's the tow mirror that we're taking out. Like I said, I really like these. I just don't feel like they fit the sport model that I'm looking for my truck. But huge shout out to Boost Auto for sending me out these. They were awesome. If you guys want this, I'll put a link down below. You can go ahead and check them out. It's a little faded and we need to get a new cap, but same process. We're gonna put it through. I'm gonna, plug this back in, screws back, reverse order. See how it looks. There it is. Back to the old side mirrors. Dang, I forgot how small they were. Oh. Yeah, I think I like that look better. I think it's more sporty that way. What do you guys think? I think that looks pretty cool that way. So I can zoom out. There we go. Yeah. What do you guys think? I think it looks better. Definitely need new caps. Yeah. All right, same thing here. Take this piece off here. All right, so they are both back installed. Obviously, you got to check to see if they move, and they do. And then that one over there. Yep, does. So we are good. Power works. Let's take a look at what it looks like from outside, as it's been quite a while, man. All right. There you guys go, back on the sport grind. Here they are. Now we're gonna go ahead and change out those taillights back to the stock taillights. So let's go ahead and move the truck up here. I want to say it's an 8mm, same thing. So this one's going to be an 8mm instead of a 10mm. Millimeter here. And I'm just not a fan of the whole aftermarket looking, you know, like now that I'm 25, like I don't really care about, I don't know. I like the way Ford designs things. I like the red taillights. I don't like the smoked, you know, just, I like it to look OEM plus. And I think a lot of people are kind of transitioning to that, you know, the OEM plus look. And there we go, y'all. They are back in business. Let's go ahead and put this stuff away. Stuff away. All right, so there we go, y'all. We got the tow mirrors taken off with the sport stock, you know, mirrors back on, and then we took the tail lights off, put the stock tail lights back on. I think I like that look better. I think it's more classy. I think it's more OEM plus, and I think it looks pretty good. You know, I wasn't on the fence, and the more I look at my taillights, I'm like, yeah, I don't really like them. I think these look a lot better, a lot more clean, just better overall. And then you know, the mirrors back on. Like I said, I love the mirrors. I just don't feel like they fit for my sport looking, you know, look that I'm trying to go for with this truck. So there you guys go. I think it looks pretty sweet, man. I think those caps have seen better days for sure. Definitely get a new pair of caps. As you can see, absolutely fading on top. But $20 cap, link in the description down below. You can go ahead and check them out. I've had these caps on for 3+ years now, and they're just now starting to fade. So you definitely want to check them out for $20, easy, $20, and you'll definitely get your money's worth over the next few years or so. But there you guys go. If you have any questions, guys, leave a like and subscribe, guys. I post new videos on the channel every week. and let me know what you think about going back to stock. Just for the taillights and tow, not like the lift or anything, just the stock lights. So let me know how you feel. See you later. Peace.